Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an email, a phone number, and a secure password. Once ready, open Settings on iPhone or visit Apple. Apple. Com in a browser. Tap or click Create your Apple ID and enter your name, birth date, and the email you'll use as the Apple ID. Make sure to choose a password you can remember yet is strong. Explain why. Apple uses it for purchases and iCloud, so it protects personal data and payment info. Once you've entered basic info, continue by adding recovery options and security questions. These help you regain access if you're locked out. You'll be prompted to add a trusted phone number for two-factor verification. Do that now. Apple sends a verification code to your phone or email. When it arrives, type it precisely. Make sure to review terms and conditions before accepting. This step links your credentials to Apple services and allows purchases, so accuracy matters for long-term account stability. Finish by signing into your devices and services: App Store, iCloud, and iMessage. This syncs purchases, backups, and contacts. Next, add a payment method in settings if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions, though you can skip it initially. If something goes wrong, verification code not arriving or password rejected, resend the code, check spam folders, and try a different device or network. If you're still blocked, reset the password or use account recovery. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.